Hello everyone, this is Natalie. I wanted to come back and show you how to make a little Christmas tree out of pieces from a bush. And if you have a mason jar, in my case, I'm going to use an oud candle. Got some little decoration, rocks, you can use beads, things like that. So we got a stick for your trunk, and what I've done with these piles of bushes is cut them into 5 different lengths. Your biggest ring, and then you got your smaller rings as you go along. So we are going to light this so that this can melt down a little bit while I am starting this, just so that I have something to kind of secure the stick once we get going. So move this guy back over here and these. So I'm just going to use hot glue, and what I usually do, we also have some hairspray to try to see if it'll seal in any moisture or anything like that. If anybody tries this and knows a better way of keeping the leaves from getting all brown and drying out, let me know. I did nail polish on the other tree when I had tried it before, so that's an option. I've had this one for a couple of weeks now. So what I usually do is just kind of arrange them how I want them, and then so that we can get the stick to go in, so that they can go around the stick, we're going to just kind of make sure that we have a space in the center, kind of, that they can be able to go around. Keep in mind that it's going to be up, of course, higher than the stem. So just kind of eyeball, arrange like that, so that it looks as full as you want it. And you're going to take this, you know, make sure you're working on a surface that you don't mind getting all messy. And I just kind of go around in a ring with the hot glue. Just to get these guys to kind of connect a little bit. Leave a little bit of space in the center for the tree stick to go in through. And so we're going to just kind of let that cool down, start on the next row. So same thing. So once you get it cool enough to to be able to remove. We're going to just flip the ring over and we're going to do the same thing. Got a slight little spot in there, so I'm going to try to go around this way. As you saw, one of the pieces kind of fell off. So we're just going to make sure that this side is covered a little better with the glue. And same thing with this one and so forth. May have to push some of the branches down into there until it can be able to set. Okay, so my wick head ran out while trying to melt some of the wax in the candle. So what little bit I've got, I stood the stick up in there, got to support it in the center as best as I could, and I'm just going to let that cool down and see if the wax is going to be able to hold it. Gonna put a little bit of hot glue down here too, just to see if it will help. So I'll let that finish setting up. So these guys, got them in a little ring around the center a little bit. Now, you may, depending on how you did the glue, you may have to end up re-punching a hole through, which I think I might have to myself. You can just use an X-Acto knife for that, box cutter, whatever you have. And put a little bit more on this one. This guy's trying to escape from me. Or if you're using hot glue, just be very careful and melt the glue so that you have a nice little hole through there. Just like I said, safety first. Okay. So now we got a slightly better hole in there. How well you can actually see that. Just pretty much do that with any of them that you notice that needs a hole in the center. You don't want something too big though, because you don't want to just slip down the stick. Just wide enough. That is still cooling down. I'm going to work on the top. I usually kind of eyeball, the top of the stick, and just gonna kind of go around, kind of making a little teepee out of the little branches. And just start with kind of a little bit of hot glue on this to hold what I've got so far. So I've got about half of what I'm wanting to use, and just make a little point. If you have a fan, it'd be helpful to cool this down a lot quicker. Be like me and just wait. Okay. Just be careful not to burn yourself. Just adjust them so that I make a little teepee while it dries. Set it up here. It's not working. Hot glue just kind of said screw you. So next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to put some hot glue down in here. And that is how you make your own little Christmas tree decoration. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you can see when I upload some new videos.